everyone! Welcome back to Learn German with Juliet. In the last episode, we introduced ourselves. Today, we'll learn something essential. Numbers, counting, saying our age, and even giving our phone numbers auf Deutsch. Ready? Los geht's! Let's start easy numbers, 0 to 20. Repeat after me. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10, 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15, 16, 16, 16, 17, 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 19, 19, 19, 20, 20, 20. How would you do? A bit of a headache, right? Pause and practice again if you need. But here's the good news. This is actually the hardest part. Beyond 19, it gets really easy if you memorize these 19 numbers. Great! Numbers beyond 20 follow a special pattern in German. In English, you say the tens digit first, then the units digit, like 21 or 32. In German, it's reverse. You say the units digits first, then und, which means and, followed by the tens digit. A trick that helped me was to think of it like an addition. For example, if you have 27, imagine saying 7 and 20. In German, that's 27. 7 plus 20 equals 27. More examples. 34. 34. 4 plus 30 equals 34. 46. 6 und 40. 6 plus 40 equals 46. 59. 9 und 50. 9 plus 50 equals 59. See? It's easier when you think about it this way. Try it now. How about 38? Exactly. 8 und 30. 8 plus 30. And 71? Correct. 1 und 70. 1 plus 70. Let's say our age in German. The question is, wie alt bist du? Meaning, how old are you? You answer, ich bin Jahre alt. Example, wie alt bist du? Ich bin 27 Jahre alt. It's 27 years old. Or, we can also say when and where we were born. For example, ich bin am date, geboren. I was born on. Ich bin in city, country, geboren. I was born in. For example, ich bin am 5. Mai 1996 geboren. Ich bin in Cebu geboren. Or you can combine it into one sentence. Ich wurde am 5. Mai 1996 in Cebu geboren. Quick grammar note. Ich bin and ich wurde come from the German verb sein, to be. Ich bin is present tense, while ich wurde is past tense. Don't worry, we will explore this more in a later lesson. Your turn. Practice saying your age, your birth date, and your birthplace. Pause if you need. Next, phone numbers. When giving your numbers, say, meine Nummer ist, my number is, for example, meine Nummer ist 0, 1, 6, 2, slowly, digit by digit. 0, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Germans have at least one rule for almost everything, whether it's the exact size of a house number plate or the allowed colors for buildings in a street. So, of course, there's also a rule called DIN 5008, which defines how to correctly write a phone number in professional correspondence. DIN stands for Deutsches Institut für Normung. Yes, they even have an institute just for rules. I know, even the thought of that causes a headache for us. But here's how it looks according to DIN 5008. Plus 49 162 123 4567. Notice the spaces between the country code, area code, and main number. Practice giving your number, real or imaginary. Pause and try it. That's it for today. You have learned numbers, your age, and phone numbers in German. Great progress! Next time, we will talk about our family, meine Familie. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your age below auf Deutsch, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Links are in the description. I was struggling to find good practice material to use after class at home. Write in the comments if you're having similar issues. Also, let me know if you'd like me to provide you with some practice sheets and which format you'd prefer. When you speak in front of an audience, you see their reactions, their faces, and if you're lucky, you even hear their applause. Here in YouTube, your likes and subscriptions are my applause. So if you found this lesson helpful and enjoyed the content, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really means a lot to me and shows me that the hours spent creating these lessons are reaching you. Danke schön und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!